back to the channel. Got an unboxing today. No, it's not a diamond painting, but it looks like one. I guess back in November, around the 19th or so, Alvina reached out to Amber and I both, and she wanted us to, I guess, VictoriasMoon, our good friends over at VictoriasMoon that aren't really the greatest with diamond paintings, but let's see how they do with paint by numbers, because, well, that's their new thing, I guess. They're getting into paint by numbers. So Alvina reached out, asked me if I wanted to review a paint by numbers kit. I said, sure. Why not? I'll give it a try. It's got to be better than the diamond painting they sent me. So I said, sure. She shipped it out, I guess, a few days. I guess it was about a week later, week and a half. 6 days? Okay, 6 days later, it was shipped out. I ordered a 60 by 80 is what I told her I wanted. However, it appears to me they sent me a 50 by 75 because this box is only 50 centimeters long. So it looks like they got the size wrong to start off with. Not a huge deal. It probably won't affect it because it's not like a diamond painting where size is going to dictate the amount of detail. I think they'll just have smaller spaces in the paint by number is what I think. So I figured I'd unbox it for you. I will provide a link down below for what it will look like when finished, because if it says anything like the one Amber got, it's not going to have a legend or a image that's going to show you what it will look like when it's done included in the box, which I'm not a fan of. It's got a nice plastic wrapping on it and a nice little box. The beauty of creation. Do it. Lover it, it says. Do it, lover it. Perfect masonry. 13 and 9 sections combinations makes the pictures gorgeous. The perfect and accurate achievements is a result of exquisite diamond painting, it says. 470 kind of colors to create gorgeous and realistic visual effects. The characteristics of rubber, strong adsorption of masonry, ensure that embroidery will always shine. Full color printing, intimate design partition, mosaic, more convenient operation. And it says DIY diamond painting. It never was so easy. And it says main instructions: tear the positive tape, pull down a little bit. Control the map symbol to find the corresponding diamond paste.
I'm going to laugh if it's a diamond painting.
After the completion of painting, you can put it in frame.
I'm going to laugh if it's a diamond painting.
And it's got the, I'm guessing that's Russian. Yeah. Yeah, I'm guessing that's Russian. Okay, so it says it's a diamond painting. It's supposed to be a paint by number. It says DIY diamond painting. It never was so easy.
That's so funny. It never was so easy.
No, this does not look like a diamond painting to me.
Okay.
I have some colors.
You don't have very many colors.
It has a canvas wrapped on a foam roller, and it is a nice canvas. It's a fabric canvas. It's not soft like a Diamond Art Club, and the front side is kind of coated in some kind of a plasticky coating. The back side is canvas. We'll unroll that here in a minute.
I'm just going to say, mine wasn't folded like that. Yours must be true to what you ordered.
Maybe it is.
Mine was directly rolled.
And I got three things of paints. So it looks like I got 3 things of paint there. It looks like I got 3 of each color, which may or may not be enough.
We'll see.
We will see. But they are little paint pots.
No fair!
No fair what? Oh! Wow! Mine did come with a little thing.
I'm a little bit jealous.
Wow! Hers didn't come with this. You might want to tell Alvina. Well, when you message Alvina and tell her you received it, make sure you tell her you did not receive a little... Are those... No, they're not DMC numbers. I don't know what the number
It
means.
could be lot number. No, or unless color has its own DMC
Wow, that's pretty neat. It did come with its own little thing.
And you got 3 paint brush sets.
Sets, yes. Wow, okay.
Well, I got 2 in mine, so.
Alright. Okay, so what's included is 3 of these little foam things. 3 of these little foam things with the little paint pots. This is acrylic paint, by the way. Just use water wash up so it won't, you know, won't hurt your brushes or ruin them. Just keep them.
And it won't ruin clothes. I've already spilt it on the clothes.
Okay, well, there you go. You heard it from the master over here.
Just wipe it up.
They're little paint pots. It looks like it's 3 of each one, like number 1, number 2, 2. Okay. Alright, and this one here's the same. And inside each one of these little packets was a little kit containing 3 small paintbrushes and it looks like little frame hanger things. As you can see them there. That, you know, I'm not going to use those for anything. But each kit did come with a kit of those in the back. And one kit actually did have what Amber's didn't have. And that is an image of what it's going to look like. And that's the kit that I ordered in 60 by 80. It's little Rainbow Yoda. So, we'll put the paint off to the side with all the myriad of brushes they gave us, which, by the way, I will get to that here later. The brushes are not the high quality brushes in the world.
They actually suck.
They're kind of floppy and not really much to them, and they're hard to paint with, according Amber says they are. She's already started on hers. And so we went to Michael's today, and we picked up $9.99 a piece. We picked up 2 brush kit sets. One has little tiny miniature itty bitty brushes of all different sorts, and the other one has an assortment of natural bristle brushes such as that. And there's 15 in each one, so there's 30 extra brushes for all different sizes you might need. Because I think we're actually going to start doing some paint by dump number too, because she seems to really be enjoying it, and I'm looking like I'm going to enjoy this too. So
if not, I already offered to finish it for him if he didn't want it, because that's how much I'm in love with it already.
So let's unroll this canvas. It is taped here.
Which I didn't like. I had to cut mine off.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to find the edge of it to get it to peel back off of there.
It's not hard to get off. It's just I couldn't do it without cutting.
Ah, there we go. But now you got a piece of tape you got to figure out what the hell to do with.
That's what your lovely assistant's for.
Yes, I have a lovely assistant. All right, now this I'm not liking. I'm gonna have to iron this, I'm sure, because it has a big crease in the middle. Okay, it is 60 by 80 with a big crease in the middle, which I am gonna have to iron that out. There is your.
On screen, you can't see it.
Yeah, on screen you can hardly see it. It is printed well. It is nice and clear printing on it. So it is very well done. This is a lot of small little spaces. It is, like I said, 60 by 80. It does have a little legend thing up in the corner that shows you what color is what.
I'm not liking how small that is, considering how big this is.
Well, that's how big it's supposed to be in the picture.
I still think it should have been a little bit bigger.
Let me pull this up. I just dropped it back here.
What, this?
Uh-huh. Yes. You see, it's kind of small in there.
I suppose, but it could be a little bit bigger.
I'll still post a photo up here. In fact, I'll do that right now.
Okay, editing Dave.
All right. So that's what the picture's supposed to look like. And it's actually a pretty image. I think I'm really going to enjoy working on this. Again, like I said, I'm going to have to iron that out. And this being a fabric canvas, like I said, it's like burlap on the back. You can kind of see it's like it's actually a cottonish fabric. It's not soft like Diamond Art Club, but it is a woven fabric, you can tell. but it is coated on the front with a kind of a plasticky, almost like plastic tablecloth, like the cheap plastic tablecloth you can buy for like picnics and stuff. It's kind of got that texture on the top, and it's about what it feels like. That's about the weight of one of these. Is like one of those plastic tablecloths. Is what the canvas feels like. So, and it's like fabric on one side and plasticky film on the top side.
I feel like they've already painted a layer of paint on it the way it feels.
It could be, yeah, it could be some kind of
like
a machine,
primer
like a machine primered paint, but it's a plasticky type paint, almost like a latex type feeling, yeah. But yeah, it's really good quality. I'm gonna say that. So obviously they're doing better with the paint by number than they did with the diamond painting they sent me, because that diamond painting was junk. It's still hanging in the closet, I think. Oh no, it's still down here in the floor.
It's in that box in the floor.
Oh, okay. All right. It's in my big tote on the floor. I didn't even put it back in the box, so it's just in the tote, rolled up, just loose.
Out of sight, out of mind.
Yep. I haven't even started. I don't even know that I'm going to start it, but maybe one of these days if I get bored. But there it is, the Yoda paint by number in 60 by 80. I will be working on this, do some whipping chats with it, and I'll definitely do a post review on it. I think I'm going to have fun with it. It'll be a good change of pace.
Show them how it works.
Show them how it works? What do you mean show them how it works?
Get down in there and paint.
I don't want to get down there and paint because I'm going to have to iron the thing.
You could do a little bit down here.
No, because then I don't know if I'll ruin the paint with the iron, so I want to make sure I'm going to...
You're not going to iron way down here. That's where the problem is.
Still, I'm not going to pull all the paint out and start painting now. I'll do that in the whip and chat. I just want to do the unboxing right now.
I went and showed mine.
Yes, she did. And you all can go check out her video.
Done a lot since I did that video,
but she's doing a good job with hers. And the only complaint she's had so far really is the brushes. And so that's why we went and got some more brushes.
And that I didn't get a legend.
Yeah, she didn't get a legend like I did.
But that's okay.
I got the neat little legend, and I got all the little paints and all the little brushes. So now I got all the extra brushes. That's pretty awesome. Not a bad deal.
Mm-hmm.
On the website, again, it's VictoriasMoon.co.uk. It's because they want to say that they're a UK company, but it ships out of China. So they're not really a UK company. It says on the site that it's reduced in price from £29.99 to £12.99. But again, with Victoria's Moon, I think their stuff always shows as reduced in price and marked down because it's a good sales tactic. You know, if you make somebody think they're getting something for cheaper than what it's actually worth, then they're going to be more likely to buy it. So I think that's what that is. But there's our Yoda paint by number, which you will see me working on from time to time until it's done. So I will catch y'all the next time around, and until then, rock on, y'all.